Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be talking about NIO. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on this journey together. So today we're going to be talking about NIO. As you guys can see here, guys, today NIO is down 7%. Stock over the last week is down 5%. The stock has not been doing that well recently. But guys, today NIO actually did have a bunch of huge news, right? So today their November deliveries came out, and guys, as expected, their deliveries were through the roof, right? Basically, they doubled the amount of deliveries that was expected from the company itself, which is absolutely huge. And I've been telling this time and time again, if you have taken a look at the last couple of months of NIO stock, NIO has been consistently beating its deliveries, which means that NIO cars are in demand, guys. The stock has so much more going for it, and a lot of people aren't really comprehending right now, like, the amount of growth that NIO is going to be sustaining over the next couple of years. If you guys don't know what NIO actually does, NIO is an EV company that's based out of China. They produce luxury EV cars. Looking at the 5-year chart, guys, this thing IPO'd September 12th of 2018, up 682%. Looking at the 1-year chart, guys, it is up 1,898%, which is just absolutely humongous, guys. If someone were to told you at the beginning of the year when this thing was trading around $3 to $4 that this thing was going to be a $50 stock, a lot of people might have not believed it, And taking a look at the 3-month chart, guys, it is up 141%. And the 1-month chart, guys, it is up 38%. Guys, take the opportunity, buy the dip on NIO stock, right? $46.90 is a great price to pick up this stock. The amount of growth that this company is actually going to be sustaining is just absolutely unmindful. Like, people cannot imagine the amount of growth that NIO is going to be sustaining over the next couple of years. Obviously, everything I say in my videos, guys, is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. But guys, you guys have to take a look that NIO has so much going for it, and this price tag right now that's currently sitting at $46.80 is so undervalued. As you guys know, NIO is consistently beating its deliveries, as we saw in November as well. Like I said, they beat their deliveries by almost double. Same with October, guys. Same with September. It shows that NIO as a company is growing and their cars are in demand. As you guys know, NIO being based out of China, Tesla is starting to make an appearance in China as well, right? Starting to sell a lot of their cars. And a lot of people are speculating that the Model Y, Tesla's SUV, is going to be a big competition changer for Tesla and NIO in itself. But here's what NIO actually did. NIO actually is dropping 2 new sedans to compete with Tesla's Model 3, which is going to show that, NIO is here to bring the competition, guys, that NIO is here to stay. And, they want to be better than Tesla, right? As you guys know, right now NIO is currently evaluated bigger than General Motors. So the company is growing very, very fast. General Motors, a company that's been around for 100 years plus, that's been selling cars for a very long time, and NIO, that's only been around for 4 years, is already bigger than that company itself. Goes to show that NIO is growing very, very quickly. I know a lot of people are speculating, that NIO is down today, and it's been down the last couple of days. Like, why is the stock crashing if, so many people are bullish on the actual stock itself? But you guys also have to understand, NIO did have earnings recently, and guys, their earnings were very, very good. As people were stating that, yes, the company was not profitable, but you guys have to take a look at the bigger picture, that their revenue is starting to increase and their losses are starting to shrink. So NIO already expecting $960 million in revenue by the next quarter goes to show that the company is headed in the right direction to be a big and profitable company a lot faster, and it's in a lot better place than Tesla was when it was first founded, guys. As you guys know, Tesla was founded in 2003, right? They didn't see profit for about 15 years versus NIO so close to being profitable, and NIO is growing so quick. That probably just has to do with the EV market maturity, and the demand of EV cars in itself are starting to grow very, very quickly. A lot of people are starting to see the value behind battery-powered cars, and NIO is delivering. You have a lot of analysts behind the stock as well saying that NIO is going to be a top brand one day, an iconic brand, guys, that the technology that they offer in their vehicles is second to none. Basically saying that NIO is going to be a top EV company, and it's going to be a great company, guys. On top of that, guys, NIO is always getting analyst upgrades all the time. If you take a look at Deutsche Bank, they upgraded their stock price for NIO as well. So did JP Morgan, tripled their analyst upgrade from $14 to $40. But guys, another piece of news today that actually just dropped is Goldman Sachs, who was a bear on the stock, guys, had their target at $7.70, actually raised their price target for NIO stock to $56. Now, that's absolutely humongous. And it goes to show that, guys, like, there's a lot of big time investors behind NIO stock, and like, now is a very good time, especially when these big time investors are seeing the value behind NIO as a company. I know a lot of people out there are saying NIO's going to $20, $25. Yes, guys, every stock is going to have their bulls, every stock is going to have their bears. But for me, if I see these big time investors, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, Deutsche Bank, JP Morgan, and all these big time companies who are putting their analyst upgrades very, very high, guys, For Goldman Sachs to put their analyst upgrade from $7 to $56 is a 666% increase. That's just absolutely humongous, guys. It wasn't even a small price target raise. It was actually a huge target price raise. So it's actually very good for NIO stock that a lot of big time investors are supporting the stock in itself, guys. But guys, like I said, it's not only the big time investors that makes NIO worth the investment in itself, guys. NIO as a company is growing more and more every single day. As you guys know, they're also working on a bigger and better battery. They want to drop a 100 kilowatt battery, and they're also working on a self-driving chip, which is actually going to be huge for the future of the whole EV industry in itself. And the fact that NIO is trying to work towards it and trying to get there first goes to show that, guys, that NIO is trying to be innovative, and NIO is trying to stay on top of the game to be able to compete with Tesla. And I've said this time and time again, I still think $46.92 is very, very undervalued for a stock such as NIO, guys. Like I said, I do think NIO is going to be a $300 stock in the next couple of years. I know it's a huge price target, and I know a lot of people are pretty skeptical about that, but guys, that's just my personal opinion. You guys don't have to listen to what I'm saying, but guys, just looking at the facts all together and what NIO is presenting as a company and the fact that they're growing so quickly goes to show that this company still has a lot more room to grow. And on top of that, guys, we have NIO Day coming up at the beginning of the year, where NIO is going to be unveiling all sorts of new products and stuff that's going to actually be released in itself. Guys, NIO has so much going for it right now, guys, and NIO has just reached the pinnacle of its growth, which leads people to ask the question, is NIO stock a buy right now, guys? Should you buy NIO stock or wait? Is it going to go lower? Is it going to go higher? Guys, I've said this time and time again, and I've been telling people to buy NIO stock ever since it was $10 a share. I think NIO stock is always going to be a buy, even at these price targets. If you guys are bullish on the stock and you're bullish on the overall sentiment of the stock itself, you guys will know that $47 is very cheap for a company that has so much more room to grow and to be the next Tesla. Now, I'm not saying that NIO is going to be the next Tesla, but guys, NIO is growing very, very quickly, and even Elon Musk is probably a little bit scared of the rising competition of the whole EV industry, especially when it comes into China. NIO being very stiff competition, the fact that NIO is answering back by dropping 2 new sedans to compete with the Model 3 goes to show that NIO's trying to raise the bar, and NIO's trying to raise the competition, guys. So all the facts concluded together, guys, just shows that, it makes NIO stock a buy. I think NIO is a good buy. I think NIO is worth the investment, guys. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of NIO stock. Do you think NIO stock is a buy at $47.05? What do you guys think of NIO's deliveries? Were you guys shocked that NIO beat their deliveries again? If you guys own NIO stock, how many shares do you guys own and what's your average? I'm always very curious to know. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.